Are you missing out on lucrative business deals because you don't know how to tap into the world of tenders? In just 2 minutes, I'll show you how to unlock endless opportunities for your business. Welcome to Tenders on Time. In this video, I'll give you a quick overview of tenders and how they can help grow your business. If you're new to tenders or looking to start bidding, this video is for you. Let's get started. A tender is an official request from a government or organization inviting suppliers to submit bids for goods or services. It's a competitive process that ensures transparency and fairness. Tenders can range from construction projects to IT services, consulting, and more. Finding the right tenders can be easy if you know where to look. Use platforms like TendersOnTime, where you can filter opportunities based on your industry, region, or project type. This way, you only see tenders that match your business. Here are 3 quick tips for submitting a strong bid. Understand the requirements. Read the tender document carefully to ensure your bid aligns with the project needs. Be clear and competitive. Provide clear pricing and demonstrate your expertise. Competitive pricing is crucial, but don't compromise on quality. Submit on time. Deadlines are strict. Submitting even a minute late can disqualify you. Prepare and submit well before the deadline. Tenders can be a game changer for your business if approached correctly. For more detailed guides and updates, subscribe to Tenders on Time. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below.